It's me again, Riza from I2 Prime Realty. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Ayala West Grove Heights. So gustong gusto ko tong property na to, pati community kasi very peaceful. Kita nyo naman, at walang cable wires. Kahit saan ka pumunta dyan, wala ka makikitang cable wires. Okay? And itong property na to is, yung lot area niya ay 712 square meters. And the floor area is 1,100 square meters. So, na-imagine nyo ba kung gaano kalaki yun? Pasukin natin. Tignan natin. So, dito pa lang, it has 4-car garage nga pala. And pwede dito sa labas mag-park. Allowed yun ng village. So, I think 7 cars could fit. And upon entering the house, welcome ka ng garden. So you could add more plants in here and on that side. Sa side na to, there's a way going to the basement at dun sa pool. Isang favorite part ulit, si pool. And I'll show you later. Dito muna tayo. Over there, yung garage. Kasya ang 4 and then 3 more cars outside. Pwede. And tingnan mo naman yung facade ng house mismo. Makita mo yung finishes. Hindi siya tinipid. Matibay. And this door is a solid wood. Okay, let's go inside. Pero, let's remove our shoes. Kasi sanitation and cleanliness is a top priority. Come on, let's go in. You'll be welcomed by a very huge chandelier. Kita mo yung lights? It's a modern chandelier. Makita mo yung windows, open. Natural light are just passing through. Actually, during the day, you don't need to open the lights kasi yung natural lights are just coming inside naturally. Nagbibigay ng magandang glow and ambience sa house. It's gonna be your living area, your receiving area. Pwedeng-pwede. And you have a TV here and your fireplace. See? So cute. And punta muna tayo ngayon sa kitchen. And before that, punta tayo dyan mamaya. Ang ganda, di ba? Dito muna tayo sa kitchen. Most of the appliances here in the kitchen are from Italy pa. See, pwede ka dito mag-grill. Pwede ka mag-grill ng burgers, barbecue, and the stove, makita mo kung gaano katibay, all the way from Italy. And the installed cabinets are really good. And by the way, makita mo yung exhaust, super laki. Pang restaurant. Diba? And you also have lights here. And look at this. Here's the stove and its exhaust. See? And let's go here sa dining area. Pakaganda nitong dining area na to. A big family could fit in here. You'd enjoy your lunch, breakfast, dinner. And kung gusto niyo naman maiba yung ambience, look at this. Ako parang I'd prefer having my lunch or breakfast here. And see the view. You have your infinity pool. And aside from this access, Ay, sorry. By the way, all the doors are double lock. Yung security mo dito ay guaranteed. And you could also put some plants here para ma-maximize mo yung space. Pwede ka ulit maglagay ng another sofa or any tambayan in here. And you have your mountain view. Kita mo yung Makiling, kita mo yung Calax. And akyat pa tayo mamaya, you'd see the palace in the sky in the highlands. So, aside sa access mo from the dining area, meron din access dito sa kitchen. Nice, no? So, bago tayo bumaba, punta muna tayo dito sa rooms sa floor na to. Ay, wait! It's also a favorite part. Where you could store your wine, your alcohol. Diba? This one, it's a powder room. It's a common toilet. Yalata, no? Ganding. Dito naman tayo. Ang laki. No, roaming the house is also like a workout. This one is an office or can also be converted to a living room. Depends on you. And over here, makita mo yung CCTV ng buong house. Diba? It's really safe. Dito naman tayo. Here's the boys' room. There. Already have the bed. You can put your computer over there. You can have your receiving area over here. Meron ng cabinets. And its own toilet and bath. I think papalitan din tong lights nito. Okay. Hindi naman. Let's go to the other room. Gusto ko yung stairs ng bahay na to kasi senior friendly. Parang ano siya, tuhod friendly, hindi masakit. Kada steps mo, hindi mo na-feel na umaakit ka. Maganda yung pagkaka-design. So, pagpasok mo sa room na to, you will be welcomed by the walk-in closet and the toilet and bath. Meron na siyang bathtub din. And over here ay yung shower. Okay? Let's see the bedroom itself. Pasok mo sa bedroom, you have a king-size bed na, and you have the AC, pero hindi mo na nga kailangan ng AC kasi meron ka ng ganitong view, and I'm sure it's cold at night. See? Kita mo dito yung pool. Over there is the Makiling, Calax, Highlands, Palace in the Sky. Ay nako, ako na lang bibili kaya. Tara, punta pa tayo sa ibang area ng house. Gusto ko dito sa house na to maganda yung airflow. Napakaginhawa. Pero the floor area is 1,100. Super big. Huge family can really fit in here. Baba tayo. This house is just a 1-year-old house. Still very fresh. Upon entering, makita mo tong another living area. Look at the chandelier. And sa area na yan, there's a provision for elevator. Just in case, ikaw ang bibili at kailangan mo ng elevator, pwede kang mag-install dito. And let's go to this exciting part. The theater room. Ko naman, napaka-cozy. Parang pag nag-Netflix ako dito tonight, after 10 minutes makakatulog kagad ako. Ganun ka ganda. See? Chill ka lang dito. And it also comes with theater chairs. And the sound system is KEF.
Listen, I couldn't have done without you.
And inside the theater room, meron na tayong toilet. Para you don't have to go outside if you feel like peeing, feel like using the toilet, dito na. Hindi mo mamimiss yung pinapanood mo. And let's go to this room. It's a storage room, so tsaka na lang natin buksan pag ikaw na yung magbubukas. And dito sa floor na to, meron tayo another receiving area, another living area, kung saan may enjoy mo yung access to the pool again. Pero may maya tayo dyan. I need to show you more rooms pa. This one is a guest room. Yung ceiling niya ay may pa-cove. And meron na ring sariling toilet and bath. All rooms are en suite with a toilet and bath. And let's go to the next room. Pakaganda naman ang view na itong room na to. So, this is the toilet and bath of this room. See? Dalawa yung sink. Dalawa yung mirror. Amazing. And meron na rin cabinets. AC installed. Ang king-size bed. Plus, you have this view. Wow! Nandito kagad sa pool. Kita mo naman, aalis ka pa ba pag ganito yung bahay mo? Baka pag mag-grocery na lang. And meron din tayong access kung saan tayo galing kanina. Aside from the pool, meron din tayong jacuzzi. Diba? And you can have your snacks outside. So, balik tayo. We were here earlier, so maraming access to different areas of the house. Ngayon, punta tayo sa basement. Let's see what's in there. Actually, itong bahay na to, magugustuhan to ng mga kids. And the ones who would like to heal their inner child. Kita natin itong basement. Meron sariling toilet and bath din ang basement. Ganda, no? Dito sa basement, meron ding guest room. If I were the guest, baka di na ako umalis. And sariling toilet and bath. And if you were the guest, imagine paggising mo, pagbukas mo ng pinto, meron ka kagad gaming area. Gaming area and gym. Table tennis. This one. And your mini gym. Meron ding sariling storage room dito sa basement. And dito sa basement, may access outside. May access outside, going to the pool area, and going to where we began. So yun. Tara, akyat na ulit tayo. I hope you're still enjoying this tour, kagaya ko. Kasi weekly, meron akong may mga favorite akong bahay na fini-feature namin. And I think this week, ito yung favorite ko. Bukod sa malaki, it was well-designed there. Then, tsaka yung community niya. Ayala West Grove Heights. It's my first time to visit this place and gustong-gusto ko siya. Ang ganda ng vibe. Peaceful. And yung mga tao ay mababait. Secured na secured din. So, ayun. I hope you have enjoyed this tour. And if you wanna see this property in person, just send us a message lang. We'd like to tour you around here. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube, follow us on our social media, and if you're interested with this property or you have any properties in mind here in the South, in the Metro Manila, we'd like to assist you. We're gonna help you. Just send us a message and I'll be very happy to assist you. Again, thank you for watching. My name is Raisa from I2 Prime Realty. See you to our next tour. Goodbye.